Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a frustrating issue many people face. Why isn't an inmate showing up in your search results? This is episode 961, and we're exploring this in the context of 2025, where digital systems and privacy laws are evolving rapidly. If you've ever searched a database like those run by correctional services and come up empty, you're not alone. Let's break it down step by step. First, one of the most common reasons is that the inmate's information hasn't been updated yet. Arrests, transfers, or releases can take days or even weeks to appear in public databases, especially with the stricter protocols in place by 2025 to ensure accuracy and security. Another key factor is privacy regulations. In 2025, new laws like Enhanced Data Protection Acts might restrict access to certain records. This could mean that for safety reasons, an inmate's details are hidden or redacted, particularly if they're in protective custody or involved in sensitive cases. Don't overlook simple search errors. Inmates might have aliases, nicknames, or variations in their names, so double-check your spelling and try alternative versions. For example, if someone is listed under a middle name or a previous surname, that could explain the no-show. Technical glitches are also a big culprit. With the advanced digital infrastructure in 2025, databases might experience outages, maintenance, or compatibility issues with your device or browser. Always try clearing your cache or using a different search platform. Lastly, if the inmate has been recently processed or is in a special program, like witness protection, their records might be sealed entirely. In these cases, public searches won't help. To sum it up, understanding these reasons can save you time and frustration. If you're still stuck, reach out to the relevant authorities for direct assistance. They're your best bet for accurate info. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. Drop your questions in the comments below. See you next time.